Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk. This is Kunjan Shah. So here I will explain you regarding text input in React Native. So for that, first we need to import one component called text input, and let's add two more components like button and text. Now let's add text input here like a component. But if we will see here, it's like a invisible, no component. But here from the cursor we can get that this is the text input. So to reduce this visibility, we will add placeholder here. Placeholder equal to, suppose, enter text. Okay, and then we will add style also. Style equal to, for example, height. Let's say height is 100, comma, font size, let's say 40, comma, let's say color, let's say red, and we can also add background color, let's say green. It's look weird, but it's okay for the example purpose. And there is one method called text on change text. So in on change text, we will use arrow function like this, and we will add alert like this. One more thing, this is the alert, but what we will how will we show the alert, means what value we will show. We will enter some value in the input text, and we will show that value in the alert. So for that we need one state. So we will add one constructor here, and this dot state equal to, suppose, name equal to blank, or we can say like this, name equal to blank. Enter the text on change. Here we will display this dot state dot name, and here style on change, and on change text, where is on change? Here, here actually this e is a text, means character what we have entered, and set state here name equal to e. So here what happened, that here in the curly bracket, okay, so what we have done here, we declare one variable called name, and we assign entered text value, means here on change text method, so character by character e will assign to name. Suppose I will enter Kunjan, so Kunjan will assign to e, and I am assigning e to name, so name will be Kunjan. Okay, now name will be name. Now I want to display name, So let's see here. Name name equal to, oh sorry, here actually name colon, here we need to define super. See, enter the text hello, but this hello is assigned to name. Now name is a hello, so we can do two way. Suppose text and this dot state, this is JavaScript. So here this dot state dot name. So if we enter and so here we can see Kunjan, and if you want to show this Kunjan or is in the name in a button, then also we can do like button uh, text, not text, title equal to, suppose praise me, and here we can do on praise event, like on praise equal to on praise. Here we can use arrow function like this and show alert. In this alert we will show this dot state dot name. So here Kunjan, and while pressing me we can see alert in the Kunjan. So this is for the text input. For that let me conclude our discussion that we have imported text input here. Then we declare one variable called name and assign to blank. Then we entered some value here, for example Kunjan. So on text change, Kunjan is assigned to name. Now name will be Kunjan, and then I I add a alert with the state.name. So when I press on the button, then it will show the pop-up called Kunjan. Okay, that's it from for this video. Thank you.